This is the sun going down, sunset. Haleakala crater volcano, January 2024. It's going down through the cloud cover as we are above the cloud cover, 10,023 feet. Start to see the sun dipping down now into the cloud cover. Pretty magical. We were told that only 5% of the time viewers get an opportunity to have a clear day like this to see this kind of sunset. So we're really blessed. This is the volcano with all of the beautiful legends of Goddess Pele, Goddess of Fire, and volcanoes in Hawaii. Sending love and light to all of you. Peace, joy, renewal, following your passions and your desires.
It's scary. That car was so close. To you? Ow.
Gotta be a couple of hundred people up here right now.
They were aiming for you,
Oh, because they would hit you. Ouch. Yeah.
Witnessing this beautiful event again as the sun goes down through the cloud cover. Haleakala volcano. We're on the island of Maui in Hawaii. It's breathtaking. Good time to make a wish. Take a deep breath. Let everything go that doesn't serve you. And look forward to the new day and all of its possibilities. You are worthy. You are love. You are light. Beautiful orange and red hues above the cloud cover. Lava, rocks everywhere. Formed by this beautiful, powerful volcano over hundreds of thousands of years. You're starting to see the cloud cover getting dark as the sun's going down. I'm sending you all so much love and light. This is breathtaking.
Yeah, they're naked in a cave because they had like pot. They had edibles, but they didn't know they were edibles. And so they were like dragged out. They were turned in the opposite direction. Completely butt naked. Like in the tent or something. So good.
Everything's happening pretty quickly here now.
How do we sync our menses? I don't know, stuff like that. Penny walked into her bedroom all mad, and it was like things.
Seeing some of the
That's what we haven't done.
last tiny bits of the sun
Walk in the bedroom.
peeking out above the clouds.
And Penny's just like.
One last little sliver of sun.
That is absolutely spectacular. Look at that. Isn't that
Gorgeous.
Sending you love, sending you light. Gorgeous. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I have no words. I have no words. Enjoy, my friends. Christine Johnston from Rhythm of Life RI. Until we connect again, namaste.